Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a waterfall pour on this 12 by 12 inch canvas. I did one last week and I like some results, but I want to do it again, and I have my paints left from the flower that I did on Friday, and I will just use them with one addition. I have indigo blue, grayish blue, I have my pearl white mixture, permanent red violet, cobalt ultramarine blue, and the new color for today is Majesty. I love it. It's new, these little pigments in kind of majestic violet gold shift. I love it. And I have quinacridone rose light, and I will fill out 2 cups and then leave the canvas and do a waterfall pour. So let me start with some indigo. And I will just layer my paints like that. Indigo, grayish blue, okay. I will pour a little bit of white here for the flow extender, kind of. Okay. And now I will start pouring. And I decided that I will kiss them, so I will do a waterfall kiss, if that makes any sense. So basically kiss your cups while you are pouring. A lot of Majesty. We will see what will happen when we will stretch it out. one torch. Okay. Okay, I hope that you trust my intuition because it's beautiful. But I have some paints left here in one of my cup, and I will do another pour. Just pop here bottles. I'm really curious how this Majesty will dry. Let me take you down for a close-up. I know that it looks kind of too purple or only purple, but it's not. This one is definitely one that you will have to see the dry results, but I love the details. I love those all kinds of lines and transparency and some depth, and the composition. I worked quite a lot. I would still love to have more straight lines here, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. So I will scrape this paint in a cup and use it for a flow extender and do another pour with that, so we don't need to waste paint. Okay, stay tuned for the dry results. Hopefully it will be dry soon enough. So hard to show this beauty on the sun, and on the camera I came out on the sun, try to catch this Majestic Majesty. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it's a Majesty for me. It's beautiful purple to gold shift, and I think that I like this orientation the most. So I hope, because I don't see a lot on camera while I'm filming, I hope that it shows okay. And don't forget, release of this little piggy pigments is on October 13th, I believe. Check Fluid Art Co. website, link is in the description, and have fun. Bye.